Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Swarag Beauty Channel. So today we've taken up deck painting as our weekend project. You'll see this side of the deck is not painted. We had to change out some of the wood boards. Yeah, we had to change it out.
We put some paint stain remover.
Yep.
And cleanup has been done. So basically next step is like sanding is also done.
Yeah.
Some of the rails we did not sand, but we sanded the floors. The next step is stain.
And did you have to get the sanding machine?
Yeah, I rented it from
Home Depot.
And this is a big deck. So
yeah, this is a pretty big deck. So we had to rent the sanding equipment because the paint was peeling away. The previous paint was peeling away. So we actually wanted to take our time to sand it. So we rented the equipment to get that done. So you can see how, all the peeled off paints have been neatly scrubbed and removed. This is the paint that we purchased. It's natural wood color, right? So what is it called? Cedar paint. Yeah, it's cedar. So it's natural wood color. So it's going to look really nice once it's dried out. We're going to do 2 coats. We are still thinking whether or not to fully paint the railing. Not sure whether we're going to do that or not, but we might, so it's uniform. So this is our weekend project. A day to sand out and clean and prep, and then another day to paint. Because we are doing 2 coats, I think this is going to be ending up being a 3-day project. So we'll keep you guys posted how we get this project completed. See, my husband is using the blower right now to clean, and that's about it. First coat, so you can see it's not perfect, right? And that's totally fine. We're going to do another coat, and then we'll probably focus on the edges and then the railing and the steps, and then all done. So it's quite a large deck, so a lot to do. We'll keep you guys posted. After letting it dry, this is what it looks like. Nice and dry. Today we're going to focus on getting the edges done and another coat. That's going to be the focus. And here are my puppies. Zio, Mio, and Rio. All 3 are right here with me. Beats! Hey boys! the finished look. 2 coats all done. There's still an area that needs to be dried, but this is how it came out. I think this looks exceptionally good.